If you've been on Discord for some time now, you should know that there's always a free trial offer every month. Okay, and unless you follow their official pages, you won't be notified of these free trial offers. Let's take example for this May offer, for this May free Nitro offer. It lasted for a month, and anyone that hadn't used this free Nitro in the past years or in the past 3 months could actually qualify for this Nitro free trial. But that's not the important point here. The important point is that I'm going to show you how to get free Nitro on Discord without having to pay anything. Okay, you won't have to pay for these subscription fees here. You will be getting Nitro for free, and the best is you won't be needing a credit card. What do you think of that? So if you're looking to know, or if you want to know how this actually works and how you can get free Nitro without having to pay anything, no credit card needed, you've landed on the right video, because I'll be showing you everything you need to know just right after the intro. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Right, first, this video is ideal for everyone. So whether you are a new Discord user or you've been using the platform for some time now, this video is going to be ideal for all of you guys. Okay, so first that you need is the Discord app installed on your PC or your mobile phone. It doesn't matter where you use Discord. Okay, you can get this working wherever you are. All right, so once you've gotten the Discord platform, you just want to come onto this quest tab here. So on the quest tab, you will see a different number of quests available for you. All right, and if you haven't taken most of them, you should see them available right there. And for those that have already passed or that you've watched, you can see here that I've already watched all of these Discords here and I've claimed the orbs. So this is what this video is all about. Okay, claiming orbs. So once you've claimed a good number of orbs, let's say 1400 orbs, you're able to get a Discord free trial for 3 days. All right, so that's the trick in this video. So what you need to do is you need to find some of these quests that offer free orbs. Okay, I found 2 quests that offered free orbs, one from King Meat and the other from Amazon. Okay, but they were well promoted by Amazon themselves. All right, you can see that this quest here offers 700 Discord orbs, and this other one here offers 700 Discord orbs, which when summed up together gives a total of 1400 Discord orbs. All right, so that's just all you need, 1400 orbs, because that's what we'll be using to get the Discord 3 days for free. You see a button here that says watch to claim your orbs. Okay, once you click on watch to claim your orbs, it's going to come up, the video should come up something like this. Okay, and in this button here, this blue button that shows explore the shop, is instead going to indicate claim the offer. Okay, once you finish watching the video, you should be able to claim the offer. So once you click on that claim the offer, it should give you your 700 orbs. Okay, and you do so for the next video. You just watch to get your 700 orbs. Once you've gotten the 700 orbs from this one, it should sum up to the other 700 orbs that you got from the first quest, and that should sum up to 1400 orbs. Okay, now that you've gotten the orbs, I suppose you've already gotten the orbs, the 1400 orbs, just want to come onto this shop tab here. In the shop tab, you want to come onto this navigation here and go to orbs exclusive. In this orbs exclusive, you should see 3 days Nitro Credit. Okay, this Nitro Credit should give you all of the offers that you find in the Nitro Premium, which comes with custom emoji anywhere, custom profiles, 500 MB uploads, HD video streaming, and color art themes, and more even. Okay, so since we have these 1400 orbs already, you should see this 1400, this claim button here. Okay, if you haven't gotten the 1400 yet, you won't be able to see this button, or the button won't be clickable for you. All right, once you've gotten these 1400 orbs, you just want to click on this claim for 1400, just as so, and should be shown this payment page. Okay, for the payment details, you see 3 days Nitro Credit, and then they pay for with here. As you see, there's no credit card needed, no credit card. Okay, you are using your orbs balance, just your orbs balance, and then you see the price here, the amount 1400. So you just want to click on this claim with orbs here, and there you go. You should have Nitro activated for 3 days. Okay, your Nitro Credit is activated for 3 days, and from here you can explore your perks, or you can just close this window. Say I'm just going to go to explore perks, just so will be taken to home tab here. Okay, so now from this perks section here, you see Nitro Credit ends in 3 days. These are just the new options that you have here, but what's interesting is that the Nitro tab has been added to your home screen. Okay, so you see that right there, and then you see the different perks that you have once you navigating through it, and basically you should just be able to get everything that Nitro offers. A good way to know about this Nitro offers is just to come to your user settings, and then you come to this billing settings. You should see the Nitro tab show up there. Okay, so once here you should see that you have already gotten the Nitro. Okay, what you've got, we are basically on Nitro, and you can see the normal subscription is $9.99 per month, but we have all of this for free. Okay, we are not on the Nitro basic plan, we are on the Nitro premium plan. Okay, so that is what we get. From here you should be able to subscribe to Nitro premium for more, but since we are limiting ourselves to the free offer, we just want to enjoy this free Nitro for 3 days. So I know this is somewhat short or a little for you, but it is what you have to be contented with for the meantime, until Nitro or until Discord releases a free trial program for Nitro offers. Okay, so their free trials often come and last for a month, so when that time comes up, I'm going to hint you up about this. And for you to know about these updates, you just need to join my Discord server, just so you'll be updated anytime that Discord releases a free Nitro offer. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. Alright, so I catch you in the next episode.